Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we are going to unbox this UNZAG 360-degree flexible rechargeable gas lighter. Okay, see, this is the one which I have ordered on Flipkart last week, and all these products also I just ordered last week and I did the unboxing, like this Fitnix stainless steel chopping board and this 3-set Theodore knife set, and this burner triply kadai and the frying pan, and these watches. You can find all of them in the description below, the links, unboxing videos. Yeah, now we'll try to open this and see how this is working. And it has shown here you can recharge with the USB cable from the laptop. See, now I'll be testing by just plugging into this laptop USB cable and charging this. Okay, let me just open this. This is UNZAG 360-degree flexible rechargeable electric kitchen for candle, stove, aluminium, electronic, gas lighter. So you can lit the candle also, I guess. Yeah, if you open this packet, yeah, the charging cable is provided, and this is the 360-degree flexible electric kitchen aluminum gas lighter. So let me open this, maybe from the back side. There are some details here. This product uses a lithium ion rechargeable battery booster assembly, can raise low voltage of 3.7 volts to the half 7 kV frequency. Charge through USB interface by connection to the computers. As I mentioned, see here, you can charge through the USB cables of the computers or the laptops. It is mentioned in the second point, or the mobile charger adapters with of low power wattage, not like 45-watt chargers or something like that. It is mentioned like 5-volt chargers, the old ones you can use. Connect the charger first and then disconnect and reconnect the charger at first time use, or when you have not used for a long time. So if you are not used for this for the long time, just keep it charged for one time, means like 1 hour or something like that, then you can use it. And there are some cautionary things you can read. Do not use sharp object to pierce, burn this product, please put the product out of the reach of children. So all these things you need to follow, because yeah, do not place product into the water, do not use this product on any charges except one mentioned above. Yeah, so let me open, then you can check this image later. Yeah, see here, I just now removed this package and just kept this charging with USB port to the laptop, and the other end the C-type port to the charging area, and this is the power on and off button. Okay, this is off. As it is charging, the light is blinking here. Okay, this may be indicating the battery levels, points 1 2 3 4, and I'll show you the operation. Let me just remove this. Now this is power off, right? Now when you switch it on, now the power button has I just toggle this to top, and now I'm just pressing here. It is working now. See here, as I press this button, actually there is this, you can use it as a off. If it is off, you cannot use this. Okay, first you need to turn this on, the light blinks, and then you can use for ignition. Okay, and this is the 360-degree flexible rotation what they mentioned, and this is how you can use this. What we can do is we can take it to the kitchen and we'll use it the practical test of lighting up the gas once. Okay, we'll do that now. Yeah, see here, you have seen the practical usage of this, right? So here it is mentioned like, see, It has got 4.3 ratings and which has got bestseller tag on the Flipkart. That's the reason I bought this. So after using for this like 2 to 3 months, maybe I'll be doing a review video on that. If you want a review video on that, please do ask in the comments. And